My name is Claire, and I'm from Houston, Texas. And at Cordon Bleu, New Zealand, I've been taking the Basic Cuisine course. In December, I graduated from Harvard with a degree in math and computer science. I had no professional or any sort of experience really in cooking other than just cooking at home during COVID. And that's when I realized that it was something I really enjoyed doing. The instructors have been incredibly supportive. I think all of them are genuine experts in what they do. Things that look so simple only look simple when done by them. A lot of the skills require very specific movements with your hands, for example, things that you wouldn't really be able to pick up if you were reading instructions from a textbook. So having both the chefs in practical sessions as well as in the kitchen, showing and demonstrating to us exactly how things are done makes it a lot easier to learn. I can just tell how many years of experience they have under their belts. And it's really cool to be able to learn from chefs that have industry experience, have a ton of teaching experience, and truly are just experts of their field. I definitely had my own hesitations in coming to a new country, not knowing anybody here, but I have been so happy these past 10 weeks. I've learned so much, and these are skills that I feel like I'm going to take with me through the rest of life, and I could not recommend a program here anymore.